With the explosive growth in electric vehicle EV manufacturing, high-voltage wire harnesses acting as the main arteries for power transmission are now subject to near stringent requirements regarding processing precision, safety redundancy, and quality consistency. The JM700 high-voltage wire harness automated production line is a flagship solution specifically engineered to overcome the pain points of processing large cross-section cables. The standard JM700 function covers wire cutting, dual-end stripping, dual-end crimping, robotic arm loading, and automated sorting of defective products. The JM700 supports non-standard customization, allowing users to freely select and expand the following core functionalities: number tubing markering, heat shrink tubing insertion, and waterproof seals insertion.